Welcome to Tax Talk with Victoria Raming, better known as your tax lady. Welcome back to another week of Tax Talk. This week we'll be talking about commingling funds. You ask, commingling funds? What does that mean? Commingling is when you have one bank account and you pay your personal expenses and your business expenses. Now this is a no-no. You don't want to do that. Reason why you don't want to do that, one, is because the IRS will not allow you to. If you get audited, they might not take your business expenses because you have paid the expenses out of your personal account. So you don't want to do that. You want to make sure you keep accurate records of what's going to your business and what's going to you personally. If you need some personal funds, write yourself a check. Don't just pull money out for yourself personally. Write it off as an expense. And the only way that you can do that, if you write yourself a check or transfer the money and we have a good paper trail for the money that you pull out of your business account. For example, if you buy gas, now be careful. Are you buying gas to go on a trip for pleasure? Or are you buying gas for business purposes? Now, a lot of people say, well, I buy gas for personally most of the time. But I tell you what, you go into the grocery store. When you get in line, talk about your business. Give out a business card. And make sure you keep your mileage for all of your miles that you go either personally or business, because you never know. Every time I go out and talk to someone, I talk about my business. And guess what? I write off my mileage. I make a record of it. I deduct it. Make sure you keep a record. I found a very good app that I use called Mile IQ. This app is free, but it only gives you a certain amount of mileage or trips that you can take. But if you pay a little fee of about $60, you can make as many trips as you can. It'll keep a record for you. Now, not only will it keep a record, but you can download a spreadsheet that you can give to your accountant, and you won't have to worry about any of the miles that you have taken in your vehicle. This is very good for taking deductions. Another reason why you do not want to commingle your funds. Remember, commingling means putting your business money and your personal money in the same bank account. You want to have a separate bank account for your business because of asset protection. Have your money going into your personal account, then your business is not protected because now they say, well, that's a business or is it personal? The IRS will not recognize you as being in business a lot of times if you do not have a separate bank account. It is very important to keep things separate. And when you go to do your taxes, it makes it so much easier to make sure the numbers that we use are correct and accurate. If you would like a free consultation, you can call 1-833-TAX-LADY. Again, that's 1-833-TAX-LADY. Now, if you have an emergency, you can call 786-401-2503. Now remember, that is only for emergencies. That number is 786-401-2503. Until next time, remember, you may owe Sally Mae or even Fannie Mae, but you do not want to owe the IRS. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And also, I invite you to send in your questions that are topics that you want us to discuss. And you can do that on one of the social media outlets. We will see you next Tuesday for the next broadcast of Tax Talk.